Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the serial number. This is essential because it uniquely identifies the device. Once done, check Settings General About, the original box, or your receipt to copy it exactly. Make sure your Apple ID is available, since you will need to access Apple's device list or contact support. If the phone isn't with you, confirm the serial matches your purchase records. This step saves time and prevents misidentification when you move to tracking or support requests. Next, sign into Apple.com and review the devices associated with your account. This shows last seen info and model details. If the device appears, use iCloud.com to try location or mark as lost. These steps rely on Find My being active. If you don't control the Apple ID or Find My was off, call Apple support and give them the serial number. They can escalate with law enforcement requests. Make sure to provide proof of purchase, because Apple verifies ownership before acting. Finally, take the closing actions. If Find My is active, sign into iCloud, locate the device, play a sound, enable lost mode, or erase it remotely to protect data. Then report the serial number to your carrier so they can blacklist the MA and to the police to aid recovery. Give them proof of ownership. If you don't see a location, make sure the serial was entered correctly and you used the right Apple ID. If problems persist, contact Apple support for a verification and next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.